Welcome to Owen Allen Media, the moment we have all been waiting for. Vybz Kartel and Masicka officially link up. All I can say is, Gaza Nation and Genocide fans, get ready. One of the most anticipated dancehall link up just happened, and I'm sure this collaboration is right around the corner and about to drop anytime soon with a video. I'm sure we can expect that, right? So Vybz Kartel and Masicka link up is great to see for me personally, because remember a couple years ago Vybz Kartel said Masicka would come and run dancehall and be the man, and Masicka actually did that. Vybz Kartel has also endorsed his Str8 Vybz product for Masicka. If there's one thing about Vybz Kartel that we know, and it's that Vybz Kartel is a master promoter and marketing genius that that sets him apart from every other dancehall artist, right? Check out the clip.
My dog them a Philip. Ho! The dog them a Philip.
Fuck a bag of gal inna them whole and who no like how we a live.
Wrong.
Oh.
One Masicka senior.
One Gaza, you know it. Go.
You mean genocide. A family this, remember we put friend aside.
Alright.
And we straight, so we put Ben aside.
Alright, and the family and we put 10 aside.
Boom, lad. We don't say I'm out, but me I got a nose. Here I go on now, the DJ. Me I present to you.
Yeah, me general.
Two Str8 Vybz. So now I say, the one I do, electric.
See it? Str8 Vybz.
Yes. And when him go England, him collect pound, and him go America, him collect metro. Who know?
Electric.
Alright. And this is a ramping shop. When will you want Ishawna ramping stop? Well, I know.
We out.
We out.
Alright, so by now, if you're new to the channel, welcome, and make sure to subscribe to get all our latest videos. So one of the main reasons why I'm excited about this Kartel and Masicka collaboration is because, you know, Masicka and TJ have a great musical chemistry. Masicka hit song Update and his first release of 2025 featuring Cranium were both produced by TJ, proving the strong chemistry between them, right? And now when you add Vybz Kartel to the mix, it only raises the bar, you know, because Vybz Kartel and TJ are brothers, right? So as a fan of Masicka and Kartel, this collaboration comes at a crucial and critical time for Masicka career and also for Vybz Kartel career, right? Because while we know Masicka talent and dominance and Masicka have already earned him place in dancehall, this could be the major boost he needs to push him to the next level, and dancehall itself is craving a powerful collaboration that not only break records but also elevate the culture, the genre globally, right? So Vybz Kartel always bring artists, dancehall artists to the forefront, and one of Vybz Kartel mission for 2025 is to bring more dancehall artists to the forefront on the international stage, and 2025 could be the year for Masicka to break through on that level, going international, right? Where he deserves, because we feel like at time now for Masicka actually cross over and be that top international artist, and I mean rack up numbers just like we know Skilly Bang been doing it, right? Masicka deserve it. You know, let's hope that this link up and the collaboration that we're to expect, you know, create history, you know, become a mega song and propel both Vybz Kartel and Masicka career further and shine in a brighter light and dancehall as a whole. So let me know if you're excited about this link up and, you know, what you are expecting for the song that will drop later on this year. So Masicka recently met with Prime Minister Andrew Holness and Culture Minister Olivia Babsy-Grange. At this point, we can only speculate what was discussed between Masicka and the Prime Minister, but one thing, it's clear that Masicka showed the utmost respect for the Prime Minister, something Chronicler didn't do with Mark Golding. Chronicler came under fire after disrespecting Mark Golding at Danishka Williams' PNP campaign. Popcorn had to step in and publicly apologize on behalf of the artist. Now, artists like Chronicler need to recognize the importance of time, place, and decorum, right? Especially on such platform, because Chronicler behavior shock a lot of people. It also show a lack of character, and as an ambassador for dancehall, Chronicler action did not help in any way, shape, or form right there and then, right? We expect better from the artist at this level. Badness claims, yo, remember we are bad man. That no mean nothing in the presence of dignified people, right? Even Sir P had to come out and talk about the situation. And when you see Sir P come out and talk about something, then you know it's actually bad. You see me? So, on the other hand, Masicka respectful demeanor towards Andrew Holness is just show you how to properly conduct yourself in spaces like that. And I hope Chronicler can learn from this situation because that was embarrassing. Truly embarrassing. Masicka also paid a visit to the Sunshine Girls, who were absolutely happy to meet the artist. From the looks of it, right, it's clear they are fans of the artist. So moments like these show us why Masicka has the potential to be one of the most influential figures in dancehall, and it's a joy to see. Check out the little clip. The warlord himself, Bounty Killer, recently declared 3 of his musical sons as kings of dancehall. I, Rodney Price, OD, the warlord, the poor people, governor, the general, the commanding chief of God of dancehall, Kingdom, declare 3 of my musical sons kings of dancehall, right? Turf King, Busy Signal, Gaza King, Vybz Kartel, and the Gully King, Movado. That's what the warlord Bounty Killer himself said. Now, to me, Bounty Killer is acknowledging that Vybz Kartel is the king of the Gaza, Movado is the king of the Gully, and Busy Signal is the king of the turf. It's Bounty Killer saying, all right, Beanie and everybody, Beanie still want to be king and everybody else is fighting for a king. So let me tell you, Vybz Kartel is the king of his own kingdom. Movado is the king of his own kingdom. Where does this leave Beanie Man, the former king of dancehall? All right, so Vybz Kartel has long been considered the reigning king of dancehall genre. Beanie Man's legacy can't be overlooked or can't rub out. Beanie Man has carried the title for king of dancehall for decades, right? And has undeniably helped shape the dancehall on a global scale. We can't deny that. And Bounty Killer recognition of Vybz Kartel status as king of dancehall does not diminish Bounty status at all. It only shows you that the music is moving forward and evolving, where multiple icons can coexist and reign in their own right? So dancehall is big enough for more than one king, but of course you have to have the overlord king, which is Vybz Kartel right now. That's all I'm going to say. The reputed leader of the notorious Spanish Town-based One Order Gang, Othniel Laban, also known as Thickman, was fatally shot by police on Wednesday night. According to reports, member of the Joint Anti-Gang Task Force intercepted Laban at 6 Miles St. Andrew around 10:30 p.m. So right there and then you know that police got intelligence on him and they intercepted him and they took him out. They didn't want to bring him in for to face the law, to answer for his crimes, alleged crimes and all these other things. No, we want to get rid of him. No court date for you, sir. That's what the police did. So details surrounding the confrontation remain unclear. That's what the report says. But we know this is not how you go about things. But again, the government has given the police the permission to conduct themselves the way they have been conducting themselves. All right, so that's the video for today. Thanks for watching. ReggaeMedia, we keep you informed.